Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Know your OS version and that your phone supports themes. Once done, back up your home layout and any custom widgets so you can restore them if needed. Now open Settings and navigate directly to Display or Themes. This is where the official controls live. You do this because system themes alter icons, wallpapers, and colors at once, so starting here prevents conflicts. Make sure to stay in the System UI area, not third-party apps, for the one correct method. Once inside Themes, browse installed items or open the theme store. Preview each option to inspect icons, accent color, and lock screen changes. You should tap Apply when a preview matches your preference. This tells the system to swap wallpapers, icons, and UI accents together for consistency. While the system applies the theme, avoid force closing settings or switching launchers. That can leave assets half applied. If the change looks off, revert to the previous theme from the same menu before trying a different. After applying, you should confirm widgets and shortcuts stayed in place. Adjust any layout shifts manually. If you see visual glitches, missing icons, wrong colors, reboot the phone first because a restart forces the system UI to reload resources. Once rebooted, reapply the theme if needed. If assets still fail, remove and re-download the theme or use the restore option to go back to your backup. In short, reboot then reapply. That single troubleshooting step resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.